Welcome, adventurers, to the world of MathQuest. Join us on an epic journey where math becomes the key to unlocking hidden treasures and conquering mighty challenges. Our heroes are faced with a grand quest, guided by the ancient scrolls of mathematical wisdom. Are you ready to embark on this thrilling adventure? Our thrilling adventure will span across 3 epic levels, each holding the key to a new realm of knowledge. Each level is a stepping stone, leading you deeper into the heart of the challenge. Brace yourselves! In every level, you'll face 10 mind-bending questions. But beware, time is not on your side. With each passing round, the clock will mercilessly tick away. You'll need to think fast, as the time to answer will shrink from 20 seconds in level 1 to a mere 10 seconds in level 3. So let's begin our math quest. The brave adventurer arrives at the ominous dungeon. The path, marked with the skulls and bones of warriors from before, leads to the dungeon gate. But it is locked with magic. Amongst the pile of bones, a shining scroll catches the eye of our hero. Level 1, the Trial of Bravery. To unlock the door, questions decree. Answer and reveal the path to see. Within these mysteries, wisdom does hide. Awaits the seeker on the other side. Question 1. What is the result of 5 multiplied by 8 minus 12? Option A, 28. Option B, 32. Option C, 36. Option D, 40. The correct answer is 28. Question 2. What is the result of 12 plus 5 multiplied by 8 minus 3? Option A, 65. Option B, 75. Option C, 85. Option D, 95. The correct answer is 85. Question 3. If a square has a side length of 4 units, what is its perimeter? Option A, 8 units. Option B, 12 units. Option C, 16 units. Option D, 20 units. The correct answer is 16 units. Remember, the perimeter of a square is the sum of all its 4 sides. Question 4. What is the square root of 144? Option A, 8. Option B, 12. Option C, 14. Option D, 16. The correct answer is 12. Question 5. What is the result of 8 squared minus 4 cubed? Option A, 0. Option B, 2. Option C, 4. Option D, 8. The correct answer is 0. Question 6. What is the sum of the interior angles of a triangle? Option A, 90 degrees. Option B, 180 degrees. Option C, 270 degrees. Option D, 360 degrees. The correct answer is 180 degrees. Remember, the sum of the interior angle measures of a triangle always adds up to 180 degrees. It might be useful later. Question 7. What is the result of 15 divided by 3, multiplied by 2, and then subtracted by 4? Option A, 6. Option B, 8. Option C, 10. Option D, 12. The correct answer is 6. Question 8. What is the value of 4 squared minus 3 cubed plus 2 raised to the power of 4? Option A, 5. Option B, 9. Option C, 12. Option D, 19. The correct answer is 5. Question 9. What is the value of 5 factorial? Option A, 5. Option B, 25. Option C, 50. Option D, 120. The correct answer is 120. Recall, factorial is a mathematical operation where a number is multiplied by all positive integers less than itself down to 1. Question 10. If x equals 2 and y equals 3, what is the value of x squared plus y cubed whole divided by x plus y? Option A, 5.8. Option B, 6.2. Option C, 6.4. Option D, 7.2. The correct answer is 6.2. The adventurer is filled with wonder, and the scroll begins to float, drawn towards the lock. With a magical glow, the door unlocks. What awaits inside? The excitement grows and the mysteries call. Will you venture forth to discover what lies beyond? The journey has just begun. As our valiant hero ventures through the intricate caverns, he reaches the heart of the dungeon. There, a stunning sight unfolds. A mountain of gleaming gold stands before him. Yet a formidable challenge lies ahead. A mighty dragon slumbers atop the treasure. Will he dare a sneak attack on the dragon, risking everything? Or will he face the beast with honor and bravery? Contemplating his options, a glimmer catches his eye, a scroll, beckoning for attention. What wisdom does it hold? Level 2, the Trial of Wisdom. Within this scroll, 2 paths unfold. Dragon's treasure or wisdom untold. Brave the dragon, battle it alone, or answer questions, knowledge to own. Question 1. What is the value of 2 to the power of 5? Option A, 8. Option B, 16. Option C, 32. Option D, 64. The correct answer is 32. Question 2. What is the result of square root of 169 then plus 7 divided whole by 2? Option A, 6. Option B, 7. Option C, 8. Option D, 10. The correct answer is 10. Question 3. If a circle has a diameter of 12 units, what is its circumference? Option A, 6 pi. Option B, 12 pi. Option C, 24 pi. Option D, 28 pi. The correct answer is 12 pi. Remember, the circumference of a circle is given as 2 pi multiplied with the radius, or simply pi multiplied with the diameter since radius is half of the diameter. Question 4. A bag contains 5 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. If one ball is randomly selected from the bag, what is the probability of getting a red ball? Option A, 1 by 10. Option B, 1 by 5. Option C, 1 by 2. Option D, 2 by 5. The correct answer is 1 by 2. Question 5. If a triangle has angles measuring 60 degrees and 80 degrees, what is the measure of the third angle? Option A, 20 degrees. Option B, 30 degrees. Option C, 40 degrees. Option D, 50 degrees. The correct answer is 40 degrees. I told you it would be of use later on. Question 6. If the pattern follows a sequence where each number is multiplied by 3 and then subtracted by 2, what is the next number in the following sequence? Option A, 242. Option B, 244. Option C, 246. Option D, 248. The correct answer is 244. Question 7. What is the next number in the following sequence? Option A, 45. Option B, 48. Option C, 50. Option D, 55. The correct answer is 48. Did you notice that we are adding odd numbers? That is 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on to get the next number? If you did, then good job. Question 8. A fair coin is flipped 3 times. What is the probability of getting exactly 2 heads in a row? Option A, 1 by 8. Option B, 1 by 4. Option C, 3 by 8. Option D, 1 by 2. The correct answer is 1 by 4. For this one, note that we are using the same coin to toss 3 times rather than using 3 coins. This makes each toss an independent event. But we also know that probability is a memoryless property. That is, It doesn't remember past independent events when calculating the new probability. That means we can just multiply the probability for both required cases. That is, the probability of getting heads multiplied by the probability of getting heads again. So, 1 by 2 multiplied with 1 by 2 to get the final probability of getting exactly 2 heads in a row as 1 by 4. Question 9. You have a bag with 4 red balls, 3 blue balls, and 2 green balls. If you randomly draw 2 balls from the bag without replacement, what is the probability that both balls are red? Option A, 1 by 33. Option B, 1 by 11. Option C, 1 by 6. Option D, 1 by 3. The correct answer is 1 by 6. Question 10. If 8 people can build a wall in 24 days, how many days would it take for 12 people to build the same wall? Option A, 12. Option B, 16. Option C, 18. Option D, 32. The correct answer is 16. Since the wall being built is the same, we can think of it as the work required to be constant in both cases. If that is the case, we can just set the product of days taken and the number of workers equal to the same product in the second scenario to get the following equation that can be solved to get our answer easily. As our hero wonders about the correctness of his answers, a sudden flash engulfs the dragon, vanishing it into thin air. Ecstatic, our hero leaps with joy. Yet, in the blink of an eye, a mysterious scroll descends, and before he knows it, he too disappears from sight. The story's twists and turns continue, and the enigmatic journey unfolds. In choices made, wisdom prevailed. The dragon's innocence never assailed. For its gentle heart, spared from strife, wisdom's embrace, a noble choice in life. Level 3, the trial of responsibility. 2 paths entwined, treasures or magic's embrace, riches secured or the wizard's enchantment to chase. But heed the risk if onward you tread. All you've gained may vanish, even life's thread. Question 1. What is the value of pi, rounded to 2 decimal places? Option A, 3.14. Option B, 3.16. Option C, 3.18. Option D, 3.20. The correct answer is 3.14. Question 2. What do we get if we multiply the number of sides of a hexagon with the number of sides of a pentagon? Option A, 25. Option B, 30. Option C, 36. Option D, 42. The correct answer is 30. Question 3. What is the value of x in the equation 3x plus 5 is equal to 17? Option A, 4. Option B, 6. Option C, 8. Option D, 10. The correct answer is 4. Question 4. A right triangle has one side with a length of 5 units and another side with a length of 12 units. What is the length of the third side? Option A, 7. Option B, 10. Option C, 13. Option D, 17. The correct answer is 13. You can use the Pythagorean theorem to solve this question. It states that in a right-angled triangle, the square of the length of the hypotenuse, the side opposite the right angle, equals the sum of the squares of the lengths of the other two sides. In our case, we can solve by to get the third side as 13. Question 5. What is the value of the expression 2 cubed minus 4 into 2? Option A, I, -2. Option B, 0. Option C, 2. Option D, 4. The correct answer is 0. Question 6. What is the term used to describe a number that remains the same when reversed? Option A, prime number. Option B, composite number. Option C, palindrome number. Option D, square number. The correct answer is the palindrome number. Question 7. Which famous mathematician is often referred to as the father of modern computer science? Option A, Isaac Newton. Option B, Archimedes. Option C, Pythagoras. Option D, Alan Turing. The correct answer is Alan Turing. Question 8. What is the value of the expression 25 minus 12 plus 7 into 2? Option A, U, -13. Option B, 0. Option C, 12. Option D, 13. The correct answer is -13. Question 9. If a store is offering a 20% discount on an item that originally costs $50, what is the discounted price? Option A, $10. Option B, $20. Option C, $30. Option D, $40. The correct answer is $40. Question 10. If a recipe requires 2 cups of flour to make 12 cookies, how many cups of flour would you need to make 36 cookies? Option A, 4. Option B, 6. Option C, 8. Option D, 12. The correct answer is 6. In this case, our work, or the cookies made, is not constant, but the time consumed in doing so is the same. That is, we can make different amounts of cookies in the same amount of time depending on our resources, which is flour in this case. We will set up the ratio of the cups of flour to the cookies made equal in both scenarios. By solving this, we can see that we will need 6 cups of flour to make 36 cookies in the same amount of time. Our heroes' challenges are finished. Trials complete, treasures gained. Wizards' gratitude forever ingrained. Ready for challenges yet to face. With wisdom's embrace you find your grace. In a place of serenity straight from fairy tales, the young adventurer finds himself surrounded by beauty, blooming flowers, towering trees, and a crystal clear sky. As he takes in the breathtaking view, an old wizard appears before him, seemingly materializing out of thin air. Shocked yet curious, the hero braces himself for the unexpected. Suddenly, like a tornado of enchantment, the wizard's spell engulfs the hero, surrounding him with a whirlwind of ancient wisdom. When the tempest settles, the hero emerges, transformed. Wisdom now flows through his being, a tranquil mind filled with knowledge beyond his years. Brimming with newfound wisdom, the hero's tale concludes joyously. Embracing the rewards of the remarkable quest, a bright future awaits, filled with happiness and endless possibilities. But remember, this is just the beginning. Like and subscribe to stay tuned for more thrilling adventures and engaging trivia challenges. Thank you for joining us on this epic math quest, and until next time, may wisdom guide your path.